Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making some coconut curry rice with barbecue jerk chicken and broccoli for dinner. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. Here I have my chicken. I would have already pre-washed. And there you can see all the spice and herbs. Now everything that I use here will be in the description box. We're going to add some oil and of course some mustard. Then we're going to lather this generously over the chicken. You can actually do this process overnight, or you can do it for 2 to 3 hours. Let the seasoning marinate well with the chicken. Then you're going to place it in your baking sheet, and I'm using a Pyrex dish here. While my oven was preheated at 350, you're going to cover until this is nice and juicy for approximately 45 minutes. And then we are going to preheat our pan, add some grapeseed oil, and I'm adding some of my curry slurry here. Cook this out for about 3 minutes. Then we're going in with our onion and garlic first. Our bell peppers and carrots. Now, you don't have to put this in if you don't have it. This is totally optional. But I love the obstacles and the texture and flavor. Alright, so you're going to toss it up after adding your rice, and I'm using basmati long grain rice. Season. And now you're going to add your coconut milk. Now the amount and everything that, as I mentioned, will be in the description box. Here you can adjust your flavoring to your likeness and taste. And our chicken is done. It has been 45 minutes and it looks absolutely amazing. Our rice also is done. This took about 35 to 40 minutes on a medium low. Looks great. I am going to taste test, of course. And I must tell you, this is to die for. This is absolutely one of my favorites in terms of sides or rice. Yep, and that's it, guys. Be sure to subscribe, like, share, and drop me a comment. See you on the next one.